let's see what we can fit in it.
Good morning and welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Guys, right here today on Bubba's Garage, what we're actually going to do is we're going to install the lockbox safe. They call it a safe. We're going to call it a gun safe. We're not going to get flagged for that, are we?
I don't know.
I hope not. It is a safe that we're going to install in the Jeep Wrangler, the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Black Bear. Bobbie's Jeep, we're going to put that underneath the driver's seat. We already have one in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Winter Edition. We use it, we love it, works out really, really well, and honestly, for the quality of this product, it's really, really good for the money that you pay for it. We're gonna open it up, we're gonna unbox it, and I'm not gonna install any of it today, right here on Bubba's Garage. We're actually going to let Bobbie do the installs, because in our previous videos, you know, we did the dual battery setup, we did the G screen, we did quite a few, we did the AC install, and Bobbie, she was helping, but she was also the video person at the same time. So today, I'm gonna be the video person. She's gonna open this up, she's gonna unbox it, we're gonna see what it is all about, and then we're gonna install it on the Jeep. Welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage.
So the kit doesn't come with a whole lot. It seems really straightforward. What it does come with is 2 brackets. These will be used for installing the box into the Jeep. And these brackets, I mean, they're heavy duty. They're powder coated. They've got some weight to them. They're definitely good quality brackets. It also comes with the hardware to install those brackets and some zip ties. The zip ties are going to be used with a wire loom that's going to be kind of moved around and just kind of left hanging during the install. That's what these are for. We'll show you that a little bit more here in a minute. And it also comes with a spare key, so it comes with 2 keys. The box is definitely heavy duty. It's got almost like a powder coating. It's thick steel. It's got weight to it. And when you open it up, there's going to be like a felt lining inside of it. It feels kind of like felt, but that's going to help with the rattling around when you're on the trails or driving down the road. Anything that you have in there, it's going to be protected as well, so you don't hear rattling. It's not getting jostled around too much. The next step in this is go into the install, see how that goes, and let's get started. So the first step of the installation process is mounting the brackets to the bottom of the box. So we're going to go ahead and flip it over. For this step, all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to put your U-bracket back here, and then you have the longer bracket that's going to sit somewhere right about there.
So you'll call me Majesty, boy, you better bend the knee, 'cause you're lucky if you're next to me. You know I'm royalty.
Alright, at this point in the installation, the first thing that needs to happen is right behind this channel, there's a bracket that has 2 T30 screws, 1 on each side. And there's the wire loom that I was talking about earlier with the zip ties. That wire loom needs to be detached from that bracket, and the bracket has to come completely out. So that's what we're going to get started on.
If you think I can be beat, go and live your fantasy. Oh yeah, I'm the real thing. Ain't nobody can compare to me.
Alright, so we got the bracket out. Now, the wire loom that I was talking about earlier that you use the zip ties for, I tried to install it per the instructions, which said to use the same holes that the T30 bolts came out of on the driver's side of the seat, and I just didn't like it. The wire loom that came out under the seat just felt really tight, and with the installation of the box, I was worried it might be too tight, put some pressure on those wires. I didn't want anything to happen. So I went ahead and moved it to the passenger side and used that bracket over there to zip tie the wire loom up off from the ground, and it seems like it's going to work great. Alright, got the bolts out, and I'll tell you this, it was a booger bear getting these out. I got them loose by hand, but definitely having power tools was a huge help. They are tight the whole time, so you might want to try and have some power tools readily available just in case. The next step of the installation is actually putting the box into place. Alright, that's it. That's the install. It was definitely kind of a booger bear to get that in, but it's in, ready to go. The door's out. You can see the little felt in here. Let's see what we can fit in it.
Bobbie nailed it, guys. That was a quick and easy install.
It really wasn't bad. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. I mean, so, you know, any tips or tricks or anything that you would like to give everybody if they were out doing this on their own?
Well, one thing that I do want to point out is that it is a perfect fit. And
it's really good.
Yeah, and we actually started to install the passenger side wrong. We got it in there, and I just didn't feel like it was right, so we went back and looked at the instructions.
Welcome to Bubba's Garage.
We
always mess up somewhere. I mean, it just happens.
Make sure that passenger side bracket is on top of the seat bracket.
Right, so when you're sliding that thing back, the driver's side bracket will fit right underneath your seat, you know, in between your seat and the floor. And then the right-hand side will actually be on top of the seat bracket.
Right.
So just be aware of that. You know, value for the money, what do you think?
I think it's definitely there. I would definitely give it 5 Bubba thumbs.
Let's be honest. We bought 2, and we're looking at buying a couple more. So, I mean, value for the money, you just can't go wrong.
No, it's definitely heavy duty.
Yeah.
You know, it's in there.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, and another thing to mention though, you know, we did the if you saw the B-roll right before this, we showcased a little bit about how you can store and what you can store in it.
Oh yeah.
Keep in mind, there's a little bit more depth that goes further back in that drawer than just what you can see.
Yeah,
so
it's much deeper than the drawer pulls
Put in
out.
a few mags and things like that. You got a lot of extra room. And guys, if this product is something you're interested in, check the links in the descriptions. We have links to all these products. And also, I want to say, if you have any questions about this installation or installing yours, leave us some questions down in the comments. Bobbie or I would be glad to answer those and help you out in any way that we can.
For sure.
This is the second install. I actually installed one on the 2017 winter edition a while back, and Bobbie was still sleeping. it was dark out, you know, so I was still installing that one. This is the first one that she's actually installed, and she did it all on her own. So if Bobbie can do it, so can you and or your girl or whoever. Y'all can do it. You can do it. I promise you can do it. And, you know, you have that opportunity to not only, store valuables and things like that, but you can also conceal things, which is greatly beneficial with the laws and the things that are going on nowadays right now. So, guys, if you like this video, do me a favor, give us a huge thumbs up. If you really like this video and you want to find out what happens next right here in Bubba's Garage, please subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you on the flip side. Night, everybody.
Good night.